Alright, now it's time for some algebra review. Simplify 2x minus 5x. If you have $2 and you take away $5, or you spend $5, you now have negative $3. Question number 2. We could think of this as 1/2 x plus 1/3 x minus 1x. So there's a bunch of coefficients in front of the x. One way to deal with this is to make the coefficients have the same denominator, 1/2 versus 1/3 versus 1. So let's make the denominator 6, the LCM of 2 and 3. So we have 3 over 6, which is the same as 1/2, x, plus, this is 2 over 6x, which is the same thing as 1/3. And we have a minus 6 over 6x. So this is an equivalent expression. And now what we're doing is we're going to perform some arithmetic with 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6, which happens to be 5 over 6. So now we have 5 over 6x minus 6 over 6x, which happens to be, we simply go 5 minus 6 is negative 1 over 6x. So we went from 3 terms to a single term. And this, by the way, happens to be negative x over 6. Question number 3. Let's try gathering our x's. We're going to throw this x over, making it a negative x. So 2x minus x is just x. And we're going to throw the negative 1 over to the right, making it a positive 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now for this question here, we have an equal sign, so we can simply multiply both sides by 6, the LCM of 2 and 3. And by doing that, we have 6 times x over 2 plus 6 times 3 is equal to 6 times 3x minus 6 times 1/3. So we're multiplying each single term by 6. So what we have is 6 divided by 2 is 3x plus 18 is equals to 6 times 3 is 18x minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. Let's gather our x's, throw the 3x over, making it negative 3x. 18x minus 3x is 15x. We're going to throw the negative 2 over, making it a positive 2. 18 plus 2 is 20. And so we have x is equals to 20 over 15. If you divide top and bottom by 5, we get 4 over 3. Moving on to question number 5, let's try cross multiplying. So we multiply 3 times x, 3x, is equals to 5 times 2, which is 10. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x equals 10 over 3. For number 6, we're going to multiply both sides by 3. So we have 15 is equals to x. By multiplying by 3, the denominator 3 disappears. Now how do you solve this k, this unknown value? The quick way would be to say that k is equals to the numerator divided by the other side, and that would be your answer. But if this technique does not come to you, just try cross multiplying. Negative 2 over 1 equals 5 over k. Cross multiply. Negative 2k is equals to 5. Divide both sides by negative 2, we get k equals 5 over negative 2. Same answer. Now let's try question number 8. We're going to distribute the 2. You're going to feed the dog, feed the cat. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10 equals, again, we're going to feed the dog, feed the cat. 3 times x is 3x, plus 3 times 2 is 6. Let's throw the 2x over. When we throw the 2x term over, it becomes negative 2x. So 3x minus 2x is simply x. And we're going to throw the 6 over. Positive 6 when you throw it over becomes negative 6. Negative 10 minus 6 is negative 16. Now for question number 9, we're going to get rid of the denominators by multiplying by 6, both sides. So by multiplying both sides by 6, we get 6 times 2/3. And we get negative 6 over 2 times the numerator, 3x plus 5. 6 times 2 is 12, divided by 3 is 4. We have minus 3 times bracket 3x plus 5. We use distribution. Feed the dog, feed the cat. 4 minus 8x is equals to negative 9x minus 15. Let's throw the negative 9x over, making it a positive 9x. 9x minus 8x is simply x. And when we throw the 4 over, it becomes negative 4. Negative 15 minus 4 is negative 19.